Hi everyone, welcome to another episode on basics of MATLAB programming. In this tutorial, let us discuss basics of plotting in MATLAB. Well, now I will show you how to plot sinusoidal waveform. To plot sinusoidal waveform, let me take time period 0 to 10. 0 to 10 in steps of 0.1. Let me check what is t value. Go to workspace. Have a note on this. 0 to 10. 0 to 10 in terms of 0.1. Every step has incremented value of 0.1. Now, in order to find out the magnitude, y is equal to sine of t. Y producing sinusoidal waveform with the magnitude of 1 for the length of 0 to 10. Let me plot this waveform. Plot. First you enter x-axis value. In fact, x-axis here is t. Then y-axis y. Plot this. Now have a look at this waveform. X varies from 0 to 10 and y with the magnitude of 1. You can also provide x label and y label and even title for this plot. Let me do that. Title. I can give a title as sinusoidal waveform, x label as time period, y label as magnitude. Now let me check this waveform. Have a look at this waveform with the title sinusoidal waveform and y-axis represented by magnitude and x-axis with the label of time period. Alright, sometimes we want to monitor different points of waveform. In order to have some clarity, you can switch on the grid on. Check the waveform now. The grid lines are on. Let us see how to draw multiple waveform on a single plot. I'll go for one more waveform here. Z equal to cos of t, where Z is representing cosine waveform. Now let me plot both sine waveform as well as cosine waveform on a single plot. Plot. X axis is t and for first plot y, comma t, and the second plot is z. So I can plot both sine waveform and cosine waveform on a same plot. This is sinusoidal waveform and the second one is cosine waveform. So it is possible to draw multiple waveforms on a single plot. Sometimes there is a confusion in identifying the plot. To avoid confusion, MATLAB gives legend function. Legend. First plot is sine waveform. Second plot is cosine waveform. Cos. Blue waveform is sinusoidal waveform and brown color waveform is cosine waveform. Legend is provided. MATLAB also provides some functions to change the color of this waveform, style of this line, or even to provide some markers on this line. Let us see how to do that. To have a clear understanding, See this attributes of plot. So K represents black color, R represents red color. Similarly, there is some symbol given for different colors. You can make use of these things. And also there is a symbol for line style. If you want a solid line, you can use this. That is default actually. Marker style also possible here in this MATLAB. These are the symbols to be used for marker. Showcase some of these example in our case here. I can draw a plot with the required color now. Let me go for it. Plot t comma y. Now or I want to draw it in a red color. Then another plot t comma z. I want to draw this one in blue color. Now have a look at this. First one red color, and the second one with the blue color. Similarly, you can also change the style of your line. Once again, I will take the same thing, but this time I am going to add the line style. Here I use colon so that it becomes dotted line. The second curve I want in terms of dashed line. Let me go for this simple dashed line. Now let me check it out. What will be my plot? I have a look at the first one. First one I provide a dotted line. So sinusoid will be formed with the dotted line. That is in red color actually. In the second waveform in blue color, actually dashed line. Further, you can also add marker on this line. So how to do that? Let me take in the same waveform, but this time I do not want to change the style. I want to use marker. Let me go for plus marker on a red waveform, on a blue waveform, multiplication marker. So have a look at this. Red color with plus sign, and blue color marked with multiplication sign. Similarly, you can use any marker as per the availability. These are the available symbols for marker. You can use any of these things. I hope you enjoyed this video with the learning of basic plotting on MATLAB. For more updates, subscribe my channel.